Welcome back. Continuing the news. In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Pullen looks at swimmer's ear.
Swimmer's ear is an infection or inflammation of the canal between the eardrum and the outer ear. The condition is common in children who spend a lot of time in water, which often leads to a lot of moisture in the ear.
This moisture, which comes from either swimming or being in the shower, taking baths, the moisture sits in the ear, and then if the person then comes along and uses a Q-tip or hairpin and scratches the ear, then it further predisposes to infections. So the reason for this is that a lot of water that we're exposed to actually contains bacteria. And some of these bacteria are just waiting for an opportunity to breach the skin to cause an infection in the outer ear.
The condition is very common during summertime. Swimmer's ear symptoms can be mild or severe. People with severe cases can experience extreme pain.
They can result in a discharge from the ear, which is, somewhat unsightly, and a foul odor coming from the ear itself. Those are the main symptoms of this outer ear infection. The pain is typically aggravated by any action that moves the ear, such as even just touching the ear, even trying to put in your piercings. If the person tries to put in earbuds into the ear, it's extremely painful.
Treatment for the infection is a combination of removing the discharge and debris from the ear canal. It is also treated with antibiotic ear drops. The specialist in the meantime explained some of the things swimmers can do to prevent an infection.
Drying the ear after water exposure, using just a little bit of cotton that is placed at the outer ear entrance and turning the ear in that way. And persons who are prone to these recurrent infections, we normally would also recommend that they get something called swimmer's ear drops, which is basically alcohol and vinegar, which helps to create a hostile environment for bacteria in the ear canal.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.